Video we'll go through the one of the important interview question, that is difference between array list and linked list. Array list uses dynamic array to store the element, whereas linked list uses double linked list to store the element. O of 1 for the index based access faster because it uses dynamic array, where in the O of n for the index based access slow because it's required traversal from the beginning or end of the list to reach the desired element. In case of array list, O of 1 is a worst case insertion or deletion element required shifting the element, whereas O of 1 for adding and removing at the beginning or end of the list. O of n when you are adding or removing at the specific position as is required the traverser. Array list is more efficient, memory efficient, and it does not require extra space for the pointer, whereas linked list is a less memory efficient as it required additional space for storing pointer to the next and previous node. Suitable array list is suitable for application where the frequent read operations are required. Memory is important, and insertion and deletion are uh, infrequent. Suitable for the application where the frequently insertion and deletion are required. Memory efficiency is a less of concern, and random access is infrequent. Faster iteration using an index based loop, whereas in the linked list slightly slower iteration as it involved traversing the list. Array list need to grow dynamically if the internal array is full. A larger new array is created and all the elements are copied to it. Whereas in the linked list, no need to resize as the node are dynamically allocated as needed. For the implementation of array list, we just need to add the element, and same way in the linked list also you just need to linked list dot add the element. We should go for the array list when you need a faster access and iteration and memory efficiency is a concern. We should go for the linked list when you need a faster insertion and deletion and memory efficiency is a less of concern.